Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss an important topic of general pathology in cell injury, that is free radicals. It is an important topic both in undergraduate and postgraduate education. It is the basis of a large many pathological processes occurring in our body. So without wasting much time, let's start with the definition of free radicals. So what are free radicals? They are chemical species with single unpaired electrons in the outermost orbit. They are highly reactive, so they attack adjacent molecules. Some are autocatalytic and they are self-propagating in nature. What are reactive oxygen species? The reactive oxygen species are oxygen-derived free radicals. Now, either there is increased production of free radicals or there is decreased scavenging of free radicals generates oxidative stress in our body. Oxidative stress is a pathological process. Now this oxidative stress forms the basis of cell injury, cancer, aging and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease. So how are free radicals generated? Now they are a part of reduction oxidation reactions occurring in normal metabolic process as in cellular respiration, where the common reaction is oxygen combines with two molecules of hydrogen to form two molecules of water. Now during this reaction there are a lot number of intermediates formed due to partial reduction of oxygen. What are these free radicals? These are superoxide when it receives one electron from oxygen, hydrogen peroxide when it receives two electrons from oxygen, and hydroxyl radical when it receives three electrons from oxygen. So the next method by which free radicals are generated in body are absorption of radiant energy like UV rays and X-rays, in which the molecule of water is hydrolyzed in form of OH free radical and H plus ion. Now this OH free radical acts as a free radical which mediates injury, cellular injury, activated leukocytes and oxygen burst by NADPH oxidase. Some enzymatic metabolism of endogenous chemicals and drugs like CCl4 can lead to formation of CCl3. Transition metals like iron and copper as a part of Fenton reaction promote formation of free radicals like OH free radicals, wherein ferrous is converted to ferric ion. Nitric oxide generated by endothelial cells, leukocytes and neurons form intermediates like peroxynitrate free radicals, which again can cause damage pathological effects in various forms. Now this image summarizes how there is production of free radicals, and this also summarizes how these free radicals are normally removed from the body and their pathological effects in form of lipid peroxidation, protein modifications and DNA damage. So how does normally free radicals does not cause damage in our body at the cellular level? Because we also have a mechanism for the removal of these free radicals. First, there are some antioxidants present which scavenge the free radicals. Example, vitamin A and vitamin E, ascorbic acid and glutathione. Now these form the basis in which you have a lot number of anti-aging campaigns where they promote supplements in form of vitamin A and E. So this is the pathological basis where these companies are trying to target the anti-aging products, because they help to scavenge the free radicals, and these free radicals are responsible for pathological process of aging. And so we also say that these antioxidants are cancer preventive because they scavenge the free radicals which are responsible for causing DNA damage. Next, there are iron and copper ions which catalyze formation of reactive oxygen species. So their production can be minimized by binding them to storage and transport proteins, which does not allow them to float freely in the body. So what are these transport proteins? Like transferrin, ferritin, lactoferrin and ceruloplasmin. They keep them in bounded form so that there is no damage caused to the cellular membranes by production of free radicals. Enzymes can also act as free radical scavenger like catalase enzyme, superoxide dismutase enzyme and the glutathione peroxide enzyme. So now the important thing is, why are we so concerned about these free radicals? Because they cause pathologic effects at the cellular level. What all pathological effects can result from free radicals? The first effect is lipid peroxidation in membrane. In the presence of oxygen free radicals, there is peroxidation of lipids within plasma and organelle membrane, which leads to extensive damage of membrane. Next, there is modification of protein in the form of formation of protein-protein crosslinks. The active site of enzymes are damaged and there is enhanced proteasomal degradation of unfolded proteins. Next, there are lesions in DNA. There are single and double stranded breaks, cross-linking of DNA strands and formation of adducts. This is the most important causative factor for cellular aging and malignant transformation. So thank you. Hope that helps you to maybe write a short note about free radicals to understand the basis of diseases, and hope you like this video.